Hi guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Today's video we're going to talk about blacking out your microgreen trays. So basically you're going to black out your trays when they first come out of germination. So it's on that day 4 when you unstack your trays. So as you can see here, this microgreen tray, the length on it isn't very tall. It's less than an inch here. And one reason because it had weight stacked on it, so it will stand up a little taller. So a couple of reasons you want to black out your microgreen trays. One, it helps on harvest day, so you have taller microgreens. It makes it a lot easier to harvest your trays, as well as if you're growing for profit, it also helps increase your yields on your microgreen trays. Just growing from home, this is actually a step that you could completely skip. It's not necessary, but if you are growing for profit, this might be a good idea for you to try. On harvest day, if you're dealing with shorter microgreens and it's kind of hard to harvest, I would definitely recommend trying to experiment with this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this stack of microgreens from my germination rack and bring it over here. I'm just going to unstack these and show you what the blackout looks like. So basically you're going to take one of your black trays. I like to use the deeper trays, but the shallow trays will work. And you're just going to create a dome over your microgreen trays like this. That just forces those microgreens to stretch a little bit taller, which is the ultimate goal on the blacking out. So I don't black out all the varieties of microgreens that I grow. Typically the ones that I don't black out would be seeds that I soak, which would be my pea shoots, my sunflower shoots, and even my radish. Now I don't soak my radish seeds, but those 3 varieties, I don't have any problem with getting really good height when it comes to harvest day. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring another stack over to put in blackout, but if you notice here, these arugula trays, I actually had them blacked out yesterday. And last night I uncovered them and let them get some air circulation so there's no issues with any disease or mold happening. So I'm going to go ahead and bring these over. And again, I'm going to put the blackout dome on top. The radish is the one that I won't black out, as well as my pea shoots and my sunflower shoots. Everything else will go into blackout. I know a lot of microgreens growers, some black out all their varieties of trays, some don't even do the blackout method. It's just a good experiment to try to see if it'll help you out on harvest day. You can easily play around with this. I recommend blacking out your trays anywhere from 8, 12, and sometimes up to 24 hours, but I wouldn't go any more than that because all that humidity trapped in there could start causing some disease and issues with your microgreen trays. All the trays blacked out that I wanted to, and you can tell here, these are the ones that's not going to be blacked out. Sunflower, pea shoots, and my radish. Like I said, I get really good height out of that. So just a quick little overview. On day 4, in the morning, I will unstack my trays. I will black out the ones that I want to black out early in the morning. At nighttime, I'll go ahead and take these blackouts off, and I still won't turn on my lights until the very next morning. These arugula, I blacked them out all day yesterday. I uncovered them last night and I left the lights off on these. So this is kind of the length. You could tell it's stretched out quite a bit, so it looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all of these over to this rack with the lights on. And I know you've probably seen my blackout trays, the lights were on there. I just turned them on for good lighting because this room's kind of dark. So I will turn off all those lights with the racks that have the blackout on them. But I'm gonna go ahead and move all these over. They're looking really, really good, and I'm gonna have a really good yield and really good day on harvest day, harvesting these arugula, because that is one variety that tends to be a lot shorter, but these are looking really good. All right, thanks for watching today's video. This is gonna be part 1 of blacking out. Check back tomorrow on part 2 on blackout, and I will uncover these and show you what they look like. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos as always, and have a good day.